Timer switches, as the name suggests, are a type of switch that helps turn the bathroom fan on or off. These units offer several time settings to automate the working of fans. But the only problem you'll face while purchasing timer switches is which one to pick. There are too many manufacturers in the market. My today's video is about top 5 best timer switches that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Enerlight's HET068 timer switch. The Enerlight's HET068 timer switch supports a wide range of devices. This unit features a sturdy body made up of polycarbonate thermoplastic. Users get over 6 different timer settings, ranging from 1 minute to 30 minutes. The unit is designed to run with a 1/4 HP fan, 800W incandescent, or 800 VA light bulbs. It also features steel mounting plates for secure installation. Being a UL-listed unit, users won't have to worry about electrocution while operating the switch. Running on the 120V AC supply, a separate neutral wire is required for the switch. It also features a blue notification LED, which helps in locating the switch in darkness. Now our second product is Leviton timer switch. Leviton is one of the oldest manufacturers of electrical devices with a presence in the home automation industry. Using research and development, it offers innovative, premium, and high-quality products. Leviton LTB30-1LZ Decora timer switch is designed for heavy-duty bathroom fans. It features a 3-way circuit running on a normal 120V AC supply. It helps the switch run 1 HP fan, 1800W incandescent, 600W CFL, or 5A LED bulbs. It offers a total of 4 timer settings ranging between 5 minutes to 30 minutes. Users can override the timer function with the press and hold function. Users won't have to worry about moisture damage as the timer switch has an IP00 rating for condensation. Qualifying the UL, CSA, and FCC safety standards, this unit needs a separate neutral wire for installation. Steel mounting plates and face plates ensure a clean installation. The unit also features a green-colored LED light to locate in low light conditions. Our third product is GE timer switch. GE is a synonymous name for households and industries thanks to a larger portfolio of products. These products are developed with strict quality standards to ensure good reliability and durability. The GE 15318 push-button timer switch is ideal for situations where fans are turned off after a long period. This switch offers 6 different timer settings ranging from 5 minutes to a maximum 4-hour limit. A revised electrical circuit helps in setting time for 1/4 HP fans, 800W tungsten, 800 ballast, etc. components. It uses a simple circuit including a direct wire, eliminating the need for a neutral wire. This unit is rated for a 125V AC supply and comfortably works with stable power transfer. Being a UL certified unit, it does not pose any danger to the user while operating. The mounting and wall plates help in installation and maintain a clean look for the switch. Now number 4, Enerlight's timer switch. We have another product from Enerlight's, an elder sibling of the previously mentioned product. This product offers the same quality assurance with an upgraded body design. The Enerlight's HET06W timer switch is suitable for controlling multiple fans. Both switches in the combo pack offer 6 adjustable timer settings with a minimum 5-minute and maximum 4-hour limit. Operating on a 120V AC power supply, this timer switch supports 1/2 HP fan, 1200W tungsten light, electronic ballasts, 5A LED bulbs, and other devices. Apart from promoting energy savings, this UL-listed unit also ensures user safety. It uses a blue LED light to notify the user about successful settings. With a warranty coverage of 1 year, it also helps the user against accidental damages or manufacturing defects. Similar to its younger sibling, this unit also requires a neutral wire during installation. And our last choice is BN-Link Timer Switch. BN-Link manufactures and distributes a wide range of premium home improvement products. Focusing on consumer needs, it continuously updates the product range and offers better after-sales service. The BN-Link BND60 timer switch easily blends with bathroom walls. It offers 6 different timer settings, starting from 5 minutes, which goes up to the 60-minute mark. The user also gets a repeat function that sets the timer every day for the selected time setting. A manual override button is also offered to cancel the timer setting. This unit works fine with 1/2 HP fans, ballasts, bulbs, etc. The switch is rated for a 125V AC power supply and requires a neutral wire during installation. Each button on the switch gets a dedicated LED indicator which assists the user in low light conditions. A compact design helps in mounting the timer switch anywhere on the wall, with steel plates. ETL certification and IP54 rating make the unit safe for use in moist conditions. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.